If you are about to start your YouTube channel and you are thinking that it requires expensive equipment and resources, then in this video I'm going to talk about the only few equipment you need to start your channel, with some additional equipment which are totally optional. So watch the full video without skipping for better understanding. If you want to make content on YouTube, you can definitely go faceless, but you will need some good skills in video editing to add the visual factor in your content. But when you are starting out with no experience in editing or whatsoever, it's best to start simple and try to do things that require less post-production time. Here in this video, I have categorized and explained some of the basic things that you will need when you are starting out in order to add quality in your content. Lighting is one of the most important aspects, especially when you are in front of the camera or whenever you want the subject to be focused on. It helps to retain the quality, but you do not have to spend a lot to get great results. I know you get to see a lot of content creators with expensive cameras, lights and gears, and they're intimidating. But trust me, when you are starting out, these things does not matter, and you should not focus on the gears and gadgets, or else you will burn out, which happened in my case 3 years back. If you know some basic color correction, you can do a lot in post-production if the lighting is good. So give importance to lighting and study the techniques of placing them. You can buy portable LED lights which can lit up your face or scene if you do not have a natural light source or you are shooting when it's dark. These are very compact and versatile, making them ideal for various shooting scenarios. They can be easily attached to cameras, smartphones or tripods. Many of these lights offer adjustable brightness, color and temperature, allowing you to fine-tune the light to suit your needs. For example, the Ulanzi VL120 or VL39 Pro. Or you can simply make your DIY light box with the things that are present at your home already. You just need a small empty box or carton, even shoebox will do, a set of LED light holder and plug, an LED bulb, and some tapes and ropes to attach. Remember, the goal is to lit up the subject and nobody can see how the setup looks as it will not come into the frame. If the setup fulfills your goal, you are good to go. Light diffusers and reflectors are essential for softening harsh light and creating a more flattering look. Reflectors are used to aim filming or shooting in low light conditions. They are portable, easy to set up, and can be used with natural light or any existing light source. You can purchase one online at a reasonable price, or simply use a thin paper or cloth to cover the light and use shiny surfaces and mirrors to reflect the light throughout. RGB light panels add creative lighting effects with various colors, perfect for background lighting or setting the mood for your videos. They are compact, budget-friendly and offers a range of colors and intensities. Ulanzi V119 is a great budget-friendly option which you can get under $50. Or you can use more light and add gel papers to create RGB effects in the background or on the subject. Audio is half of your video. If your audio sucks, no matter how good your explanation or lighting is, you will not gain the potential viewer retention or nobody will watch your videos since the audio might not be audible or there are too much noise. You don't need to invest on high-end mics, especially when you are starting out, but find some cheap alternatives like a lavalier microphone. Lavalier microphones, also known as lapel mics, are inexpensive and discreet, providing clear and close-up audio. They are perfect for vlogging, interviews, and other on-the-go recordings. There are several varieties on the market, which also have noise cancellation features. This can be wireless or wired, and Boya M1 is a very well-known cheap lavalier microphone in the market for beginners. You can connect it with your phone, PC, or camera. You can enhance the quality of the audio later in post-production as well. And if you can add a little more in your budget, my suggestion would be investing in a mid-range dynamic or condenser microphone. Whereas dynamic is suitable for a bit noisy environment, the audio will be on another level. You can also check my video tutorial on phone mic sound enhancement from the description and I button. Portable audio recorders capture high quality audio independently from the camera, which is great for interviews and vlogs. These devices are easy to use and offer superior sound quality compared to built-in camera microphones. The Ulanzi J112, which is wireless and can be used with iPhone and Android with the standard noise cancellation feature, is a great option for starting out. But buy it only if your niche supports it, or else it will be useless, since each equipment has their own specific uses. Acoustic panels and foam improve sound quality by reducing echo and background noise. They are easy to install and relatively affordable, making them a great investment for home studios. You can buy acoustic panels online for a cheap price, but first examine whether you actually need it or not. Since you're just starting out, you probably don't have a DSLR, or even if you have a DSLR, it takes time and energy to set up. On the other hand, if you have an iPhone or Android, then that's enough. You can just hit the record button and start. Tripods provide stability, reduce camera shake, and allow for long exposure shots. They enable precise framing and creative angles. You can also use these tripods as light mounts, which you can buy really cheap from online. Most smartphones these days come with very good quality cameras, but if you think your smartphone camera lacks the quality, or if you want to improvise the capabilities of your phone's camera, then you can add extra lenses which can provide wide angle, macro, and telephoto options. These lenses are easy to attach and can drastically improve your video quality. Shaky footage are not so attractive, and gimbals can solve that. If you want to take cinematic shots, then gimbal stabilizers provide smooth, professional-looking footage by stabilizing your camera. They are perfect for action shots and vlogging, ensuring that your videos are free of shakes and jitters. You can capture mind-blowing B-rolls when you are doing product reviews or unboxing videos. But again, only invest if it's a must for your niche, like videography, vlogging, etc. Creating an appealing background can significantly enhance the visual appearance of your videos. Green screens allow for creative backgrounds and effects in post-production. They are affordable and easy to set up, providing endless possibilities for virtual sets and backgrounds. You just need something solid green and try to make it wrinkle-free or tight. But you must also think about lighting the green screen properly, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to work in post. DIY set decorations allow you to personalize your filming space on a budget. This cost is usually cheaper in Asia and Europe than in North America. You can use lamps, showpieces, posters, and plants to add a unique and professional touch to your videos, and also it will benefit aesthetics. These inexpensive decorations can be found at local stores, or you can order from online or make at home. So we're almost at the end of the video, and by the way, do you need all the equipment I mentioned earlier to start on YouTube? No. You can achieve great results with just a smartphone, audio, and some creative techniques. You can just edit the videos as per your convenience. Either use a phone, PC, laptops, whatever is convenient. You have to upload and be consistent, and that's it. Remember to focus on your content when you are starting out, rather than the equipment and gears. If you focus too much on those, then that will be a mistake which you will regret in time, as focusing too much on these things will boost burnout in your YouTube journey. I have listed all the items in the description box for you. You can go ahead and check in Google and find the best which is available near you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel.